Hi everyone, it's me again, Anchisa from Ling app. สวัสดีค่ะ I am here again to teach you the new topic of today, which is Chinese New Year and all you need to know if you want to celebrate Chinese New Year in Thailand. Because of its large Chinese population, it's come at no surprise that the Chinese New Year is a major festival in Thailand. It's a lovely time where different communities come together, break bread, and wish each other good fortune for the years ahead. Streets are decorated in bright red and gorgeous Chinese paper lanterns hanging from above, and dragon dancers along the road. Right. Just like the rest of the world celebrate New Year's Day on 1st January, the Chinese New Year is calculated using a lunar calendar. It typically takes place in January or February each year. But how is Chinese New Year in Thailand celebrated? Celebration for Chinese New Year are spread across 2 or 3 days. It is a national holiday, but with a Chinese population of over 7 million in the country, it is widely celebrated in Thailand. Families spend these days together and pay respect to the ancestor. During this time, thousands of people fly down from China and other parts of Southeast Asia to be with their family to the festival. Temples and shrines get crowded with people coming to pray for successful years ahead. It is customary for family members to hand each other the red envelopes called ang pao in Hokkien and Lai See in Cantonese, with money and trinkets inside. And on the actual New Year's Day, it is traditional to spend time at home and do nothing. To guarantee good fortune, it is believed that people shouldn't use sharp objects, do any homeworks, or argue on this day. So be careful. They eat a communal feast called Velu together in tribute to their ancestor. They make a lot of traditional foods, although attempts like tofu are avoided because they are believed that if you eat tofu on those days, you are going to be unlucky. Anyway, let's get into the point. The best places to experience Chinese New Year in Thailand. The first one is Yaowarat, Bangkok. The Chinese New Year is celebrated all across Thailand, but the biggest celebrations take place in Yaowarat, which is the Chinatown of Bangkok. It is one of the most popular gatherings for this festival, and major roads are coordinated of the traffic. Imagine how crowded it must be that all 4 lanes of Yaowarat roads must be blocked. The roads are flooded with people with rage wishing each other Xin Nian Hao or Happy New Year. There's undeniable that infectious energy in the air during this time. There isn't much space to breathe on this road, but you're about to feel of the sense of community as you enjoy the Chinese New Year here. And the second one, Phuket. Another busy location for these celebrations can be seen in Chiang Road, Dibuk Road, and Phang Road in Phuket. Although this is a Chinese festival, it is celebrated all and tourists are warmly welcome to the festivity. In Phuket, there are dozens of beach parties on the day landing after the New Year. And the last one, Warorot Market, Chiang Mai. For more sober celebration, Warorot Market is the historic town of Chiang Mai. Is where you should be. The streets are lined with food and souvenir stalls. Be prepared to walk the entire day and gosh of various delicious prepared for the special occasion. Right, there is a hugely popular festival in Thailand that sees massive crowds each year. If you plan on visiting during this time, it's a good idea to make booking and call ahead. Accommodations will fill up quickly. Airlines often have Chinese New Year offer where it can lead to major discount if planned well. So, if you would like to join the festivities, don't forget to wear red while picking up an outfit. To remember that this is a significant festival to the Sino-Thai community and you shouldn't rate in a way that could hurt sentiments. In the last car of the New Year's, it recommends to cover up with a jacket or shawl on hand. And that would be the topic of today. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoy listening to my podcast and see you again in next week. Thank you. Bye bye.